What's up, DoorDash? Want to let everybody know you can cash out your earnings instantly when you connect your bank account to your DoorDash account. Let me show you how to do that right here, right now. Go to the DoorDash homepage, click on Earnings. Now, click on View Payout Details. There are things to choose from. Click Cash Out with FastPay. It'll show you your amount that you'll be able to cash out along with the $1.99 fee, something to take note of. Now click on Transfer Your Amount. It will start the transfer and then it will display the amount that will be transferred to your bank account. So if you're ever in a pinch and you really need your money right now, you'll know how to do this. I would take note of the $1.99 fee because if you become the kind of person who's using this all the time, you're actually giving them quite a bit of money over the course of time. But I understand sometimes we get in a pinch, we need money now, and we need to take care of our business. So there you go, the instructions on how to transfer money from your DoorDash earnings to your bank account. These transfers usually take like a couple minutes after you've done a handful of them. If they're connected to a debit card, I believe it goes quicker than just connected to your bank account. I think sometimes the bank account causes it to be held maybe for 12 to 24 hours. But if you have a debit card on your bank account and you transfer the money over to that debit card, it's pretty much instantaneous. I'm pretty sure right when you do it, you could go to your online bank and you could see the transfer acting within seconds of you clicking Cash Out with FastPay. So in a really tight pinch or an emergency, this is a very good tool for DoorDashers to be able to use. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you guys have a good day.